Hello, welcome to Soundop Tutorials. In this video, you will get an overview of the Soundop user interface. The Soundop user interface has the main menu, toolbars, control panels, and status bar. In addition, the shortcut menu appears when you right-click some areas. In the keyboard shortcuts dialog, you can find all the commands supported by Soundop. And you can define shortcuts for the commands to execute it. Soundop can work in single window or multiple window mode. You can change the option in the preference dialog. In addition, you can move an open project to a new window. The appearance of Soundop can be customized on the Appearance Preference page. For example, you can change the user interface's contrast, change the user interface's text color, set the waveform color, and enable the dark theme of the menu. In Property panels, you can click to open and close a page. And you can set the option to switch the pages. In addition, you can hold the Control key and click to override the default behavior. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.